Mobile apps are everywhere, from social media and gaming to fitness and productivity. If you have a great app idea, you might be wondering where to start. In this video, we'll take you through the process of mobile application development for both iOS and Android platforms. There are two main mobile operating systems, iOS and Android. iOS is used exclusively on Apple devices like iPhones and iPads, while Android is used on devices from various manufacturers like Samsung and Google. To start developing apps for iOS, you'll need Xcode, which is an integrated development environment (IDE) designed specifically for Apple's platforms. For Android, you'll need Android Studio, which is Google's official IDE for Android app development. Once you have your development environment set up, it's time to start designing your app. The design of your app is crucial as it can impact how users interact with it. Keep in mind the layout, typography, colors, and other elements of design to create a visually pleasing and easy-to-use app. After the design, it's time to start coding. iOS apps are written in Swift or Objective-C, while Android apps are written in Java or Kotlin. If you have experience in web development, you'll find that mobile app development is similar in many ways. You'll use a variety of tools and frameworks like React Native, Flutter, or Xamarin to create mobile apps. Once the app is built, it's time to test it. Testing is an essential part of the mobile app development process as it helps identify and fix bugs and other issues. You can test your app on a simulator or emulator, or on a physical device. Finally, it's time to deploy your app. For iOS, you'll need to submit it to the App Store for review, and once it's approved, it will be available for download. For Android, you'll submit it to the Google Play Store and once approved, users can download it. There are many resources available to help you learn more about mobile app development, from online courses and tutorials to forums and developer communities. Mobile application development requires a solid understanding of programming languages such as Swift, Java, and Kotlin, which are used for iOS and Android platforms respectively. It's important to consider user experience (UX) and user interface (UI) design principles when creating mobile applications, as this directly impacts the usability of the app and its overall success. The mobile application development process involves several stages, including planning, designing, development, testing, and deployment. Each stage is critical for ensuring that the app is functional and meets the needs of the end users. Developing mobile applications requires a collaborative effort between developers, designers, and quality assurance testers to ensure that the final product is of high quality. There are several tools and platforms available for mobile application development, such as Xcode and Android Studio, which provide developers with an integrated development environment (IDE) for building and testing mobile applications. Mobile application development is a constantly evolving field, with new technologies and trends emerging regularly. Developers need to stay up to date with the latest developments and continually adapt their skills to remain competitive in the market. Here's some additional information on mobile application development. User interface design is an important aspect of mobile app development. A well-designed and intuitive user interface can make or break the success of a mobile app. Cross-platform development frameworks such as React Native, Flutter, and Xamarin have become popular in recent years. These frameworks allow developers to write code once and deploy it on both iOS and Android platforms. App performance is a critical factor in user satisfaction. Developers need to optimize their code and leverage features like caching, data compression, and content delivery networks to ensure that their apps load quickly and perform well. Security is also a major concern in mobile app development. Developers need to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access to the app or the underlying system. App Store Optimization (ASO) is a set of techniques that can help increase the visibility and downloads of a mobile app. ASO involves optimizing the app's title, description, keywords, and other factors to improve its ranking in the App Store search results. Mobile apps often integrate with third-party services such as social media platforms, payment gateways, and messaging services. Developers need to be familiar with the APIs and SDKs of these services to ensure seamless integration. Mobile app analytics is a crucial aspect of app development. Developers need to track user behavior, monitor app usage, and collect feedback to continuously improve the app and provide a better user experience. Design principles. Design plays a crucial role in the success of any mobile application. You need to understand the user interface design principles and create a visually appealing and user-friendly interface that makes it easy for users to interact with your app. You should also consider usability, accessibility, and responsiveness of the app across different devices and screen sizes. Development tools. To develop mobile applications, you need to have a good understanding of programming languages like Java, Swift, Kotlin, and React Native. You should also be familiar with development tools like Xcode, Android Studio, and React Native CLI. These tools help you in building, testing, and debugging your app. Backend services. A mobile application cannot function in isolation, and it needs to interact with backend services like databases, web services, and APIs. You should have knowledge of database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB, and understand how to integrate them with your app. Testing and debugging. Mobile application development involves rigorous testing and debugging to ensure that the app is free from errors and runs smoothly across different devices and platforms. You should be familiar with testing frameworks like Appium, Espresso, and Exitest, and know how to use them to test your app's functionality, performance, and security. Publishing and distribution. Once your app is ready, you need to publish it on the app stores like Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You should understand the guidelines and policies of these stores and ensure that your app complies with them. You should also have knowledge of App Store optimization (ASO) techniques to improve the visibility and discoverability of your app. By having a good understanding of these aspects of mobile application development, you can create high-quality, user-friendly, and successful mobile apps. Thanks for watching our video on mobile application development. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your journey to become a mobile app developer. Remember, the key to success in this field is staying up to date with the latest technologies and trends. So make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop on all things mobile app development. By subscribing, you'll get access to all our future videos on this topic, as well as other related topics in the tech industry. Plus, you'll be supporting our channel and helping us to continue creating high-quality content like this. So hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.